Oh, hello there. Good day. Do you want to stay on top of your business finance? Then you need to watch this video and stay to the end. Welcome. My name is Taisha, as usual, and today we are talking about practical tips for maintaining accurate financial records. Practical tips for maintaining financial records. Accurate financial records are essential for any business, ensuring compliance and regulations, facilitating strategic decision making, and providing a clear picture of the company's financial health. Today we'll be looking at 5 practical tips that you can use in maintaining your financial records in top shape. Number 1, the use of accounting software. Investing in reliable accounting software is a fundamental step in maintaining accurate financial records. This software automates many aspects of record keeping and reduces the risk of human error. So let's quickly look at the features of a good accounting software for you. Number 1, a good accounting software will automate your transactions. It will automate your transactions, be it expenses or income, whichever. Every category of elements of your financial position will be automated. Another thing that a good accounting software will do for you is in the area of invoicing. It will be able to generate and track invoices directly through the software. Another feature that a good accounting software will do for you is expense tracking, and it will categorize and monitor expenses easily. The 4th feature is financial reporting. It will generate detailed financial reports to gain insight into your business performances. And lastly, cloud-based access. You see, you need to ensure that your software is cloud-based for real-time access to financial data from anywhere. Cloud-based accounting software enable you to access your financial data wherever you are with internet subscription. So number 2 tips is regular updates. Consistently updating your financial records is crucial, and it aims to update your records on a daily or weekly basis. Let me clear that. In other words, a consistent updating your financial records will enable you to update your records on a daily or weekly basis. Regular updates prevent backing, ensuring regular updates prevent backlog of not recording your software. In other words, it ensures your records are always correct and reflective of your actual financial situation. So in order to do this, you need to send reminders or allocate specific times each week or each day, and you dedicate those times to updating your books. Number 3 tip: reconciling your accounts. Reconciling accounts. Regular reconciliation of your bank statements and accounts is vital to identify and rectify discrepancies promptly. What do I mean? When you constantly reconcile your bank statement and accounts, you'll be able to discover error or mistake on time and be able to correct it. So, reconciliation of bank statement and accounts involve the following. Number 1, company records. You need to cross-check your internal records with bank statements. Number 2, you need to identify discrepancies. Look for any mismatches between your records and the banks, such as missing transactions or incorrect amounts. And lastly, you need to correct those errors. Correcting errors. Address any discrepancies immediately to ensure your records are accurate and complete. The number 4 point is organize documentation. You need to organize your documentation. Proper organization of financial proper organization of financial documentation will be. Then this involves the following. What I mean is that documenting your financial records involves the following. Number 1, digital storage. You can scan and store documents electronically to reduce physical cluster and improve accessibility. You can scan your document and save it electronically so that you will not have a cluster of documents around you. And of course, that will enable you to be able to access your documents on time. Number 2 is categorization. You need to organize your document by categories such as expenses, income, and the related items. Then lastly, number 3, accessibility. Ensure documents are easily accessible for quick reference during audits or when making financial decisions. Some small business owners always put their records, financial records here and there, that they find it difficult to locate when they need it. And the last tips, but not the least, is professional assistance. Hiring a professional accountant or bookkeeper can significantly enhance the accuracy and reliability of your financial records. Professionals bring expertise in accounting principles, tax laws, and regulatory requirements. So they can help you in the following. They ensure compliance, help your business comply with financial regulations and tax laws. Number two, they provide insights by offering valuable insights into your financial performance and advice on potential improvements. Lastly, they handle complex tasks. Professionals can manage more complex accounting tasks such as payroll, tax preparation, and financial forecasting. Before I wrap up on today's topic, let me remind you once more that we are discussing practical tips in maintaining accurate financial records. And please ensure that you share this video. Share it, like it, and in fact, I'm waiting for your questions. Also, if you are watching on YouTube, please subscribe to our channel and click the bell so that when next we are on here, you can be notified. Let's just conclude by saying, by following these practical tips, businesses can maintain accurate and up-to-date financial records, which are essential for operational efficiency, strategic planning, and regulatory compliance. Until I come your way next week, please ensure you keep accurate financial records. God bless and cheers.